The revolution in the Metaverse has begun. Predicting how the Metaverse will influence our economy will not be easy. For many people, the Metaverse will hopefully help them grow and build wealth, all without needing to leave their home. Join us as we reveal the 10 most bizarre ways individuals might profit from the Metaverse. Hey guys, welcome back to the Meta channel, the best place for your daily dose of news regarding Metaverse, NFTs, and much more. Before we proceed, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell for more exciting updates about Metaverse, NFTs, and tech icons. Number 10. Metaverse Architect. In Metaverses, there are a lot of lands that may be owned. People and businesses that possess this property often wish to construct something on it, either for personal pride or for financial gain. A wide variety of structures, including homes and other buildings, may be found in these areas. Architects and construction workers in the Metaverse will be hired on a contract-by-contract basis, much as they are on the regular internet. As an example, Decentral and DarkAttics.com is a 3D virtual world architectural design company. Property owners need the know-how to 3D build and develop on a Metaverse. You need an architect for that. Their primary goal is to assist small and medium-sized businesses, SMEs, who need external expertise but don't have it on staff. A Metaverse architect may make anything from a few $100s to a few $1 million per project. That's why the profit margins for building a little home in the Metaverse vary from one project to the next. As long as you're working on a large project, you'll get paid a few $100. Metaverse also only accepts NFTs and Metaverse-specific coins for all payments. Number 9. Create and sell NFT art and designs. The majority of the stuff inside Metaverse is composed of NFTs. An NFT may be anything from an avatar to a pet to a weapon in a game, or even a structure, or even a piece of land. One way to make money is to purchase an NFT and hold onto it for a while before selling it for a profit. In the hopes of making a buck too. It's possible to gain NFTs in the Metaverse by participating in games or jobs. Additionally, you may make money by producing new NFTs for the Metaverse and then selling them on that marketplace. You may also open an NFT art gallery if you wish to sell someone else's art in return for a cut of the profits. You may even work as a Metaverse art broker, guiding consumers through the new NFT landscape. Number 8. Real estate. Due to the increasing demand for digital real estate, virtual real estate has witnessed recent growth. Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and the Sandbox are selling for millions of dollars in the marketplace. People in the Metaverse utilize NFTs to acquire virtual land, such as land in the Sandbox. Instead of using physical deeds, these virtual places use NFTs to represent ownership of certain regions inside a virtual universe. In the Sandbox, each land piece is around 300 square feet, but in Decentraland, each land parcel is approximately 50 square feet. To construct a single estate, users must own a large enough number of pieces of land. The Secrets of Satoshi's Tea Garden are a nice example of this. Decentraland Estate consists of 64 parcels of land. On account of its size and location, it went for roughly $800,000 when it was up for sale in 2019. The Metaverse organization purchased an estate in Decentraland in 2021 for 618,000 mana, which at the time was worth around $3.2 million. Number 7. Metaverse Cryptocurrency Investment. Consider purchasing some of the nation's currency that you feel is likely to experience an economic boom and a period of high growth. With exponentially growing volatility, it's a lot like the real world. As with any real-world economy, the economies of Metaverse are fueled by cryptocurrency. It would be impossible to run a Metaverse without blockchain-based digital money. Instead of a blockchain-based cryptocurrency, users of the Metaverse would have to put their faith in the firm that constructed the Metaverse to keep their money safe. For them, this would serve as a significant obstacle to large-scale investment in that Metaverse. For this reason, the value of most major Metaverse cryptocurrencies skyrocketed in the years 2021 and 2022, thanks to the decentralized nature of their cryptocurrency-powered economy. Number 6. Play-to-earn games. People who complete tasks, win against other players, or get the most points in Metaverse games are now rewarded with cryptocurrency or NFTs. Current and future games that promise players money in exchange for their time and attention may have many play options. When you cut through the game's systems and economies, you'll discover that most games don't give currency in exchange for time, but rather currency in exchange for money. It is almost always necessary to buy an NFT in order to begin earning, as well as purchase more NFT in order to continue making. Playing games to generate money should thus be seen as an investment rather than a freebie. Number 5. The use of Bitcoin in the Metaverse. There are quite a variety of cryptocurrencies in the Metaverse, and each Metaverse has its own unique currency. Avatar shoes, virtual real estate, NFTs, and more may all be purchased with them. Everything on Decentraland may be bought or sold with Decentraland's native token, Mana. Another well-known Metaverse takes advantage of the Sandbox's native token. Using Bitcoin as a bridge between the virtual and real worlds, we may argue that it's possible. Digital assets may be valued in fiat money, and the returns can be calculated over time. Investors may potentially benefit by selling Bitcoins and NFTs directly to purchasers on exchanges throughout the globe. Number 4. Travel and tourism. The virtual reality tours to ancient Greece and Egypt that were popular last year, with great income potential when travel restrictions were enforced. Visitors to the Metaverse will be able to relive historical events, thanks to the development team's efforts. You'll be able to go back in time to the American Civil War, for example, and travel to countries without ever leaving your home. Companies may also save money and fuel by collaborating through the Metaverse instead of traveling large distances regularly. Number 3. Organize paid events in the Metaverse. Using this method of making money in the Metaverse is already a common practice. Organizers may charge concertgoers via the sale of tickets for live performances by genuine artists. The Sandbox Metaverse platform has previously collaborated with Warner Music to build a virtual performance venue. Death Row Records, which Snoop Dogg just bought, is set to become an NFT label, and the artist has already purchased a vast plot of property in the Metaverse, giving new income sources. Number 2. Customize 3D users' gadgets. Those who have a basic understanding of 3D design may make VR game accessories. Wearables, gadgets, headgear, clothing, and even weapons would be popular choices for Metaverse avatars. Using the design toolkits most Metaverse platforms offer, one may create and market these items. Number 1. Find sponsors for free events. It's also worth noting that there are still sponsoring possibilities to be found in the Metaverse even without the help of a sponsored event. For example, a small firm may host a trade expo in which guests could participate for free. Sponsors of the event would pay the group to get their message in front of new people. When it comes to producing money in the Metaverse, there are several alternatives. Making money isn't easy, no matter what you select from the options on this list. Make sure you understand the principles and fundamentals of the Metaverse before investing your money or passive income in the Metaverse. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, as it supports us in making more amazing videos. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.